partner pushes down, and now I want you to lean your body weight onto your fists. So I take your whole body weight, lean forward, and then, so I get this, I'm under my partner now. So I'm physically holding him with mechanical stress. From that state, I want to release the line and release his body from most of his body weight on my fists, on my hands, through his fists. And so we're taking a lot of dead weight and then just opening. Give me more. Try and hinge everything onto that. Yeah. Once we've got that openness there, you do down again, and I've got the open. As I open, then I just stretch through him a little bit more, and you increase the release of energy until it's a little bit of a shock. You just give him a little bit of a pulse. And then you make the issues a bit more vertical. The key, dead weight, he's hanging on you, and you're mechanically through muscle supporting that, and then you switch to the internal model, and you float your partner, open up, switch from muscle to fascia, stretch, and get a nice float. If you're doing this well, you should feel completely different sensation in your partner the moment you open. It goes from this tension to, oh, your partner's going to turn to jelly. Some people just start hopping, other people just go down and just have a downward change, but you want to look at the feeling in their body shifting as you open them up. Everyone has a unique response. If you want to produce a strong issue out of that, you've got to maintain a tension line to pulse an issue into, if you want to make it an extension of the last exercise. It'll depend on their reaction. If a person becomes very dead weighted, you're going to be doing a repulse monkey type movement and just issuing down, and once you've opened them, it's a downward issue, not an upward issue. So depending on their response.